Okay.
All right, I got it going right now.
Can you tell me the number, please?
Yeah, 2-5. You gotta leave it pressed for
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Okay, so now you're gonna be stuck right there. Let it go. Press no. And then you gotta keep it pressing for 5 seconds.
5 seconds. Okay.
Or more.
Oh, you see that too?
Yes.
Okay.
There you go. Now
Let it go.
Now you do
And then what?
this
You had
number,
You press that.
number 5.
No. Is that number 5?
Yeah.
Number 5
Yeah.
says
Indoor
indoor
fan.
force high.
And you're gonna
And then enter.
like this, my tall friend. My tall friend's gonna like
So
this.
what you have?
0.
See, now it's off. Now you have to turn
I
it
like the
on.
first one.
I had to put it on and 1.
Yeah.
So you should press that middle button one time.
Press it.
That says one.
Now
Now
you
press
have
the one to the right.
Press return. Now you guys, hey, I want you
Press
to
it
go
again.
into the first fan. Now you have to. I really want you to go to the first fan.
Oh, no.
Do it again, bro.
Yeah.
You should be in it.
No, because
It's okay.
Well,
It's
he-
he
okay.
didn't do the set. Yeah.
It's okay.
The second
Okay.
time.
Go 5.
Well, hold on. You might have done it.
Okay, I got 5.
You did it.
You did it.
Hey, no, stay, guys. Stay.
You did it.
Let's find out. Did he do it? How could we do that?
Let's check again. On the
So,
same setting.
hold, get out. Hit cancel out of that.
Cancel.
No, hit the mode button.
This one. The
All the way
second.
to the left.
All the way to the left.
Okay, this one.
Hit that.
Okay.
Now go in and do it again. Let's see. Let's go in and see what that field setting is right now. So hold it right
Uh-huh.
to 2, right?
You're like very familiar with this video.
Okay.
Now what, guys?
I have to
Take it to 5.
5.
Set 5.
Okay.
And then
Enter.
Enter. And see if it goes to 1. And now it's on 1.
1 tells me it's what?
It's all the fans running.
It's in that mode, right? So,
Okay.
Are they all on? Guys, let's walk around our building. I'm the lowest man on the job site. You tell me,
Take it in,
get on your phone, you say, Ed, walk around and tell me are all the fans on, all the fans are down.
Okay, your fan is on here.
Okay.
We're gonna go over here. Fans are on here.
No, we're looking at the building, making sure the fans are.
hold them around.
This one right here is on too. And this one right here is on too.
Okay, that means
You got it.
we good.
Yes.
What I'll say is I count, right? And then when that comes in, I count. And how many are there? 6? 4.